Hello everyone, I'm Zishan Amjad, final year veterinary student, University of Veterinary Animal Sciences, Lahore. Today my case presentation was about different sizes and degree of fetal mummification in pigs. A 5 years old 40 kg German Shepherd was presented with abdominal enlargement and vaginal discharge for 10 days. The owner also told us that the bitch had been treated with estradiol benzoate 5 months ago to terminate the pregnancy. Now move on to the physical examination. There was no any external injuries or other abnormalities, but on the blood profile assessment, there was a slight increase in the platelets count, which is about 591 microliter. Then we move on to ultrasound examination. The ultrasound examination revealed that there was fetal death and fluid accumulation within the uterus. No fetal movement and heartbeat was detected, and hypoechoic fluid filled uterine horns were observed. Then we performed the surgery to remove the uterus that contained the fluid. So we performed ovariohysterectomy. The surgery was performed with induction with propofol and maintenance with the oxygen combination and isoflurane, which was placed in the dorsal recumbency. A flat medial incision was given from umbilicus to pubis. After the uterus was removed, we saw that the uterus contained 13 kg of brown fluid and 2 mummified fetus. After seeing the fetuses, both fetuses were a different size, and it depicts that they died at different gestation stages. Now move on to the result and discussion. After that, we have seen that no bacterial infections was found, only fetal mummification occurred. The fetal mummification likely occurred due to the incorrect administration of the estradiol benzoate, and after the surgery, the dog recovered the 10 days after the surgery. Now conclude that case. We have seen that this case describes a rare instance of mummification in bitch with multiple fetuses at different stages. Fetal mummification likely occurred due to erroneous exogenous application of the estradiol benzoate. Usually the estradiol benzoate was given twice, but in that case it was given only once to the bitch. So that was the case of the fetal mummification.